Hiya, we're now at Kalina Beach Club. Morning, it's day 4 and we're just up. It is 9:15 and we're just getting our breakfast. So I'll give you a little pan of how the breakfast buffet looks when I go up myself. They've got quite a few options on actually. You know how I said there wasn't any pancakes originally? Yesterday there was, so I think they just switch up every day. Like, it's really, really nice and I'm excited to show you. This is the first plate I got for breakfast. So I've got a mushroom and cheese omelette, some hash browns, some beans. This is my last plate of breakfast. I got some chocolate waffles, a croissant, and some maple syrup churros. This is what they look like. They're absolutely delicious. The breakfast is honestly just so tasty. The dinner isn't as nice. Like, I'd probably say it's just very average, especially me being vegetarian as well, because there's just not a lot of options. Okay, again with the churros, babe.
What?
Churro.
Churro.
Hiya, we're now at Kalina Beach Club. This is what it's like. I'm not going to say too much here because it is very loud and you probably won't be able to hear me very well. But I'll show you what it looks like now. Going on a freebird boat tour, which is where you go out spotting the whales and the dolphins. It's gonna be a really good time. Are you going?
Hola.
We're now sat on the freebird boat. We're just getting ready to leave, and then I'll show you what it looks like as we're going over the sea and if we spot any whales or dolphins. This is the adult only gold freebird. I just thought it'd be a nice experience to just be chilled rather than having kids running around. End of the boat ride now. We're just stopped so everyone can jump in the sea and have a swim. I'm not going in myself just because I don't want to ruin all my braids at the moment because it'll start going frizzy. But yeah, we're just chilling at the moment. The clouds start covering the sun, so it's a bit chillier as well, so I don't really want to be cold coming out of the sea. Hi, we are now going out to Veronica's, which is the Las Americas strip. It's like famous, like everybody who comes to Tenerife normally goes to that strip. There's a load of bars along it, loads of beach clubs, and I don't think there's any nightclubs, but I guess we'll see tonight. So we're gonna go to a few different places. The first stop is a place called the Lava Lounge, so we're gonna go there. We'll probably take a few pictures. I'm not taking the camera out with me just in case it gets broken or lost or anything, so I will insert some pictures of the night. So we are now on a tourist tour called the Tuk Tuk Tour, just to see around the island in Costa Adige in Tenerife. So I'll give you a little bit of what it looks like, our video, and just show you what's around.
By the castle. So in front of us now we can see Plaza del Duque, which is the most expensive shopping center in Tenerife, as you can see by the brands like Rolex, Armani, Prada, Valentino, you know, these big fashion brands. It's built on these big round books. Now we're going to turn around.
Day 6 of our holiday in Tenerife. We are on a tuk-tuk tour today. So basically there were two options. There's one called the Farm and there's one called Costa Adige. So we did the Costa Adige tour, which just takes you around the island, shows you all its like landmarks and like tourist attractions and stuff. We've just made our first stop and that is at one of Tenerife's natural pools. I'll give you a look of what this is like. It's a lovely place to swim in the sea if you're like a bit scared or don't want to be on a crowded beach. It's a bit quieter. So before coming on holiday we did some research into local restaurants and anything that was nearby just in case we got a little bit snacky during the day, and we found this vegan restaurant. All its cooks are environmentally friendly and recyclable, so I thought it'd be a really lovely place to try. So we've just come, we've both ordered the Burger B Max, €8 each, and then a side of nachos. So I will show you them when they come out. But it's a lovely little place. Like, it's a bit hidden away. I don't think a lot of people know about it. But I would definitely give it a visit if you're interested in trying different foods, vegan foods and vegetarian stuff. Okay, so this is what we ordered. These are what the burgers look like. They have jalapeno peppers on them, nachos, tomato, homemade burgers, lettuce, and then we also got some nachos on the side, which is also all vegan. So we're very excited to try this, aren't we, Boo?
I'm more of a meat kind of guy, but it does look kind of good.
It's good. It's good. We are on the Tenerife by night tour, and we've just stopped in the highest village of Tenerife. We're just stopping now for a time break and to go shopping for a little bit. So I'll let you know what it looks like outside. I took a few videos of out there. It's so beautiful. I took a few on the coach as well, but because of the glass it gives you a bit of a glare. So when I get out actually on foot, I'll take a few more of you. So if you just pan around, you can see the sunset from here, the clouds and the mountain itself. Where the top of the volcano, that's like the highest peak. You have to get a permit to go up there. Hiya, we are now sat at Fanny Bay Beach. We are just about to go in the sea. So I just thought I'd give you a little update about Tenerife by night. It was incredible. I tried to get a few videos of the stars here, but because of the night sky and the distance of the stars, you can't really see them. So it's a shame I couldn't capture that on camera because it was so incredible. Like, I would definitely recommend going to see that if you are in Tenerife. I'll plan on going to Tenerife at some point because it is brilliant. Try and book it through your rep as well, so then they'll pick you up from the hotel and it's less on you to kind of get there and get back and sort yourself out. Hi, we are now sat in the local shisha bar called La Flaca. We've just ordered an apple shisha and 2 cocktails just to start with. This is our last night, so we're going to have a little bit of a chilled one rather than going out on the drink. Okay, so the cocktail I got was the Singapore Sling, which is just this one here. So it looks like, it's how it's presented. It comes with gin, cherry brandy, triple sec, Benedictine, grenadine, pineapple juice, lemon juice, and Angostura. Hi, I'm now back from a holiday in Tenerife. It was a really great time. We got to do quite a lot of touristy things on this holiday because usually when I go away with the family, they just like to chill by the pool and enjoy the relaxation of being abroad. But we got to do quite a few different bits and bobs, like see different places and go to all the water parks and do a different kind of thing. So I hope you enjoyed watching it, because I really enjoyed capturing it on camera. And if you have only seen one of the holiday videos, there are 2. So if you click subscribe below and click on my channel, you'll be able to watch the other one.